The first product, that is HDSX series. It's for the big power. We do power range 40 kVA to 200 kVA. Let's please check the backup system here. So when we use this machine, we can support the bigger power to the communication station, the hotel and the factory. And here we comes the next product, that is the BF series. From 1,000 watts to 7 kilowatts. Yeah, you can see it's useful for the truck, the ambulance, very popular in the market. And we have next popular product, that is HES PLUS series. It's the all-in-one type with inside MPPT surcharge controller, inverter, and the lithium battery all-in-one. You can check that, right? For these products, we can increase the power in future from 5 kilowatts to the 45 kilowatts. It's very useful. And the next model, that is MPPT series. It's very competitive in the market. Yeah, the outlook is beautiful. Yeah, and very wholesale in this market. And by the way, yeah, you can see here we're building the BMS lithium battery, right? Communication protocol. So we can support a lot of communication with the air, with Rewatt, with Protec, and with the popular lithium battery in the market. And the next one is MPPT series. We do 10 amps to 100 amps, 12, 24, and 48 voltage. Right? We know the CCTV monitoring is very popular business in South Africa. We can direct connect with our MPPT. Okay, contact us. And the last one is WF series. We do the power range that is 300 watts to 40 kilowatts. Single phase. We can do the bigger one. Just a few people, a few factories can do this. If you have any interest, come and contact us. Thank you. Thank you. Have some.